If you suffer from carpal tunnel syndrome symptoms such as numbness, tingling, or weakness in your fingers, a stretching program that targets the lumbrical muscles may help. Here's why. The lumbrical muscles pass from the first knuckle into the palm of your hand, and in some people down into the carpal tunnel. Now, anything that compresses or decreases the amount of space in this tunnel will also compress and irritate the major nerve that runs through that area, and this will cause those symptoms that we were just talking about. To stretch the lumbricals, you want to place your hand in this position where you're bending these knuckles and straightening this knuckle as much as possible. Place that hand on your thigh, press down through the first knuckle, and pull the other knuckles back, keeping them bent. Hold that stretch for 7 seconds and repeat 10 times. At the second stretch, you want to stretch back through all of the knuckles, extending them and straightening them as much as possible, including the wrist. Hold that stretch for 7 seconds and repeat 10 times. For greatest effectiveness, combine these stretches with a night splint and perform these about 5 to 6 times a day.